Shahed-197, Iran's final evolution of combat UAVs based on RQ-170 technology. In modern military operations, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, play an increasingly vital role in reconnaissance, strike missions, and electronic warfare. Iran, a country long restricted from accessing Western technologies, has made remarkable strides in this field thanks to a pivotal event, the capture of a nearly intact U.S. RQ-170 Sentinel stealth drone in 2011. Rather than merely replicating it, Iran developed its own UAV series, culminating in the Shahed-197, the latest evolution based on the RQ-170's advanced technologies. The 2011 incident, capturing America's Ghost Warrior. At the end of 2011, Iranian forces announced the capture of a U.S. RQ-170 Sentinel, a stealth UAV developed by Lockheed Martin's elite Skunk Works division, known for producing legendary projects such as the State Route 71 Blackbird and the F-117 Nighthawk. The RQ-170 was designed with a tailless flying wing configuration, radar-absorbing materials, and a turbofan engine that allowed it to perform high-altitude reconnaissance missions with low observability. According to multiple sources, the RQ-170 had taken off from Kandahar, Afghanistan, and intruded into Iranian airspace under the belief that Iran's eastern regions were lightly defended. However, utilizing electronic warfare tactics, jamming the drone's satellite command link and spoofing its GPS navigation system, Iran's IRGC forces successfully forced the UAV to land almost undamaged. From RQ-170 to Shahed-197, the journey of technological evolution. Rather than selling the captured drone's technology to Russia or China, Iran chose to keep and study it. This decision marked the beginning of an ambitious technological journey, starting with the Shahed-171 project, Iran's first attempt at replicating the Sentinel. However, limitations in local industry meant that Iran could not reproduce high-end components like the FJ-33 turbofan engine immediately. Recognizing that a simple replica would not suffice against technologically advanced enemies, Iran diversified its development efforts into three main branches. Shahed-181, a compact UAV powered by a Wankel engine with a rear propeller, capable of carrying mini-precision bombs up to a range of 1,150 kilometers. Shahed-191, a larger UAV with a jet engine, offering higher speed and operational ceiling. Shahed-197, the most advanced variant, combining the strengths of Shahed-181 and Shahed-191, optimized for deep strike missions. Shahed-197, the new generation of multifunctional combat UAVs. The Shahed-197 inherits the aerodynamic flying wing design from the RQ-170 to minimize radar cross-section, RCS. Compared to its predecessor, the Shahed-181, it features several critical improvements. New power plant. The Shahed-197 is equipped with a Rotax 912 piston engine, or an Iranian copy, replacing the less reliable Wankel engine. This change provides better reliability, easier maintenance, and lower operational costs, ideal for prolonged conflict scenarios. Internal weapon bays. To maintain stealth even when armed, Shahed-197 carries its payload internally instead of on external hardpoints like the Shahed-181. Extended strike capability. The UAV can carry two precision-guided glide bombs, each with an estimated range of around 40 kilometers, allowing it to strike from standoff distances. Deployment of miniature loitering munitions. Shahed-197 can also launch small, switchblade-type loitering drones for surprise attack. Combat capabilities and tactical employment. With a maximum range reaching up to 1,500 kilometers and real-time communication maintained via airborne relays like the Shahed-129 or satellite links, potentially through Chinese or Russian satellite networks, the Shahed-197 is designed for deep penetration strikes against high-value tactical targets, such as radar installations, command centers, and ammunition depots. Typical employment tactics include initial saturation strikes with ballistic missiles and one-way attack drones like Shahed-136 to degrade enemy air defenses. Follow-up precision strikes with Shahed-197s, exploiting weakened sensor networks to hit critical tactical nodes. Utilizing Shahed-197's cost-effectiveness and expendability to maintain pressure without overcommitting manned air assets. Remaining vulnerabilities. Despite its advances, the Shahed-197 retains some inherent weaknesses. Low speed. This makes the UAV more vulnerable to interception by enemy fighters if detected. Reliance on satellite navigation. Even with CRPA, controlled reception pattern antenna, systems to counteract jamming, intense electronic warfare could still disrupt its navigation. Data link dependence. Maintaining a robust communication link in a heavily jammed environment remains challenging. Strategic role in Iran's military doctrine. Shahed-197 is a vital component of Iran's low-cost warfare doctrine, leveraging mass UAV deployments and missile barrages to systematically degrade enemy capabilities before a decisive engagement. Its ability to be mass-produced at low cost ensures a sustainable and resilient drone force. Furthermore, the development of Shahed-197 signifies a shift for Iran, from merely copying foreign technology to creatively adapting and innovating to suit its strategic needs.